Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So this is Power BI homepage. Okay. How do we load the data? If suppose I have a Excel data with me. So if you want to load Excel data, click on the Excel workbook. You can browse and select the Excel file. So when I open Excel file, what will be there? Prachi, when I open Excel file, what will be there?
There will be rows and columns. Data will be there in
At the high level, there will be number of sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2.
sheet 2. Yeah,
Yeah, in every sheet, there will be columns and rows.
right.
Okay. So first it will show the list of sheets.
Yes.
Suppose there are 10 sheets or 20 sheets in the Excel. You need not select all the sheets. You can select whatever the sheets or tables you need for your reporting task. For your reporting requirement, whatever the tables you need, you can select and load it. No need to load entire data. Select the sheets and click load. After loading the data, right side it will display the list of columns. So how do we create any report generally? What are the requirements for creating a report, Prashant?
So needed database.
Suppose I have a list of employee names.
Yes.
I have a list of customer names. Can I
Yes.
create a report using these two?
Customer name, employment. Yes, but whatever the transaction or whatever the relation, employee and customer, we need information.
Actually, at least one numeric data is compulsory needed.
Yes.
One attribute and one numeric data. For example, branch wise sales. Okay. Or product wise sales. Okay. Sales is the numeric data, correct?
Yes.
Sales amount 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Sales amount is a numeric data. And what is this branch name? Branch name, product name, what is this?
Alphanumeric
Attribute.
attribute. Yeah.
That means using this attribute, we are analyzing the numeric data. Using this attribute, we are analyzing the numeric data. So how do we create a bar chart generally? Not leave about Power BI. Generally, in our schools, colleges also we created graphs, right? How do we create bar chart generally?
So attributes would be in the x-axis and in the
Yeah.
y-axis the numeric.
X-axis we will take attribute and y-axis we will take the numeric. Correct, Nitesh?
Yes, correct.
So in Power BI, generally bar chart means only vertical. In Power BI, we have horizontal and vertical bar charts. Generally, bar charts means vertical only we used in schools and colleges. But in Power BI, we have both horizontal version and vertical version of bar chart. So first x-axis attribute I have to select. In Power BI, x-axis is called just what is clicked? X-axis is called just axis and y-axis is called values axis. Values axis means y-axis. Okay. First I am selecting one attribute. I am selecting department, dragging, pull the department onto x-axis, and I am pulling one numeric employee ID onto the values axis. Similarly, horizontal version also, department you can pull onto the x-axis and employee ID pull onto the values axis. So what it is displaying, any idea now? Department and employee ID. So admin department employee ID 5, HR department employee ID 4. Do you understand what is that for?
Four number.
Huh? 4 number of employees, yes. For the department, we don't have any employee ID. It should be count of employees. If you look at the data, how do you see the data? Click on the table view or data view. You can see the data also. There is no employee ID like 4 or 5. Okay. So both are same, just horizontal and vertical orientation difference. Here also, every department wise it is showing count of employees, admin department 5, HR department 4. Here also same thing, same graph, only it is aligned horizontally. Orientation is horizontal, that's all. Next. Generally, in bar chart, how many fields we will add? X-axis one field and y-axis one field,
Yes.
correct? But in Power BI, you can add one more field also. You can add one more attribute also. Understanding, Prashant?
Yes.
One more attribute, but you cannot simply take any attribute from the list. The third attribute should have less number of columns. Why we should have less number of columns? If you see one example, you will understand. I am taking a column with attribute with less number of values, that is gender. Gender will have only 2 values, right? I am taking gender. When I add gender, what happened here? Every department is
Tagging.
divided into how many parts?
2.
Male employees data and female employees data. because the gender field has two values. Every department bar is divided into two parts. What happens if I select a column with 1000 values? If I select an attribute with 1000 different values, what will happen, Nitish, Prachi?
Data won't be formed within chart.
It will try to display 1000 parts.
Right.
So user cannot understand anything. Power BI can display 1000 parts also, but that report will be useless. Nobody will understand anything if you display 1000 parts. Correct, Prashant?
Yes, understood.
Third attribute should have less number of values. You should select an attribute with less means up to 8 values, 10 values also fine. You should not take a column with thousands of values. Okay. We have another two types of bar charts called stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. So I am taking one stacked bar chart and one clustered bar chart. This is a clustered bar chart. For comparison, I am adding same employee ID, same department. What difference did you see? First one is stacked bar chart. Second one is clustered bar chart. Did you see any difference?
No.
How many fields we added now?
Oh,
If you add two fields, x-axis field and y-axis field, there will not be any difference. The difference will be in the way of displaying the third attribute. If you add the gender also, then you can see the difference between stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. See. Now are you seeing the difference? Clustered bar chart means it will display female bar and male bar, it will display side by side. Every department, male bar and female bar will be displayed side by side. See, in some departments, sales department, only one bar is there. Why? There is no male employees in that sales. And in some departments, only male employees are there. There is no female employee in that. Okay. So if you display side by side, that is called a clustered bar chart. If you in stacked bar chart, it will display one on top of the other. See, male is displayed on top of the female here. Every bar is just divided. Here, two separate bars. This is called stacked bar chart. Understanding?
Yes, yes.
Next, we in horizontal version also we have stacked and clustered. See, horizontal stacked, horizontal clustered. horizontal stacked, horizontal clustered. Like this. And also we have something called 100% stacked. See, I will take one normal stacked, one 100% stacked. See, normal stacked and 100% stacked. Which is looking better? Which is looking a good, like a good report?
Normal one.
Yeah. See, bar size should be proportional, right, to the quantity. In accounts department, more number of employees, 6 employees are there. So big size bar. In travel department, only 2 employees are there. So comparatively small size bar. This is a good report. If you in 100% stacked, if you display all bars with full size, there is no use of this report. Actually, if you add 2 fields, this is a meaningless report. But if you add a third attribute, at least it will give some meaning. If you add a third attribute, whatever you want, but it should have less number of values. So I am taking gender only again. See, the gender separation is at least proportional. Within the same bar size, the separation of male data and female data is done proportionally at least. So similarly in vertical version also, horizontal version also we have 100%. So horizontal 100%. Okay. Next. What is the line graph? Line graph we used in schools also, right? X-axis we will take one attribute. Y-axis we will take one numeric and draw the line graph. Any graph is same only. Just for slight look and feel difference only. All are same. Take department and employee ID. Now, is this similar to bar chart or not? You can compare with this bar chart. So if you connect all the midpoints of the bars, the shape will look like a line only. Same this line shape only it will get.
Now, can we change the axis number like in the line chart? It is coming from 2. Can we change it to 0, 2 then?
Instead of starting from 2,
Yes.
that is automatically taken actually. There is a formatting tab. Like this you can do set a minimum value. You can enter values here, okay? But actually, see, there is no point at 0. That is why Power BI automatically taken as 2. Between 0 and 2, there are no points. Okay, na? Okay, now we have another graph called area graph. That is also similar to line graph only. See, this is area graph. Area graph and line graph are almost same only. Only difference is below this line, if you fill with some color, that is called a, if you fill the area with some color, that is called a area graph. Okay, na? Next, using this line graph, you can compare 2-3 numerical comparable parameters. In your data, if you have 2 or 3 comparable numerical values, you can compare using that line graph. So example, in this data, do we have any 2-3 numeric columns which are comparable?
Age.
Age and weight.
Yeah, but say 34 and 71.
Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, no use of comparing. It will not make.
Previous and current salary.
Previous and current. So,
Previous salary and current salary we can compare.
hmm.
Suppose if you want to compare two numeric fields, first draw the graph with one numeric field. Take a line chart. Department and current salary. Current salary I am adding to value y-axis, values axis. So next onto the same axis I am pulling previous salary also. Pull onto the same axis. Now it will show two lines. So now what it is showing? For every department, it will show current salary value and previous salary value. For example, accounts department, current salary is 4,40,000 and previous salary is 3,95,000. HR department, current salary 28,000, previous salary not 28, 2,80,000, previous salary 2,45,000.
So has it done average? Like if we have multiple HRs with multiple salaries, like different salaries,
Hmm.
so does it do average or this will not show us any results?
Yeah. Before understanding this, take a single graph. Say in this, so where can we see what is the calculation? HR department 4, admin department 5. What is that calculation? How can you see? There is a down arrow beside the employee ID. Click on the down arrow. See, there are number of calculations. What is selected? There is a tick mark on the count. Can I change it to some average or anything? Prashant, can I change it to some? HR department, sum of employee ID is 487. Admin department, sum of employee ID is 591. Is that correct or not?
No.
No, it is not correct.
That is meaningless, right?
Yes.
See, employee IDs we never do sum, correct, Nitish? My employee ID is 103. Nitish employee ID is 104. If I say total is 207, there is no meaning. So, Power BI has a list of options, calculations options, but you should select relevant calculation for your data. For your data, you should select the relevant calculation. Okay. Similarly, here also. Now, what calculation it is doing, Prachi?
Maybe taking average
Sum.
okay.
Department wise, total current salary, total previous salary. If you want average, what you have to do? Go to the down arrow and select the average. Average current salary and average previous salary of the department. All of you understanding? Next. Using area graph also, you can compare two parameters, previous salary and current salary. Okay. See, now it is same thing. Instead of line graph, we are comparing using two area graphs. So admin department, current salary, previous salary. The gym department, current salary 2,30,000, previous salary 2 lakhs. So how many fields we can add in any line graph or bar chart? How many fields we are adding? 2 or 3 maximum. Correct? But if you want to display number of fields, suppose 20 fields I want to display. Can I display using bar chart? No. Only suitable thing is a plain text table. If you want to display a number of fields, best thing is plain text table. There is no restriction. You can go on adding as per your requirement. Whatever the columns you want, you can go on adding. Like this. So you can apply formatting, colors, styles for any graph. When you select a graph, there is a separate icon, format your visual. Format your visual means it will have a number of formatting options. So generally we will give alternative colors for the lines. Like this, you can format any graphs, line graphs, area graphs. So if you want to do formatting of bar chart, there will be so many things. In bar chart, what you can do formatting? X-axis values, X-axis title, Y-axis values, Y-axis title. X-axis values means the department names. Y-axis values means the employee counts. So select this graph and go to format your visual. See your X-axis settings, Y-axis settings, legend settings. See X-axis font you can increase. X-axis title also you can increase the font. Y-axis values, Y-axis font. Y-axis title. Y-axis title means the employee ID here, this one. And legend formatting. So the legend size font you can increase. This is called legend, which will indicate a dark blue color male, light blue color female, the color coding, okay, color indication. And columns, bar colors. Bar colors also you can change. Female is represented with light blue color. If you want to change the color, you can change it to yellow. If yellow is not good, whatever you want, okay, pink. Male is represented with dark blue. You can change it to whatever, violet. You should select some good, nice looking colors, okay, like this. And see, if you place cursor only, it is showing number of male employees 2 and a number of female employees 1. Without placing cursor, it is not displaying any values, right? So user may not like this. Without placing cursor also, if you want to display values, data labels, make it as on. Like this. Data labels on. Like this. You can format any of these things. Plot area background. See, if you want to add a nice background image, generally in projects we don't add any images and all, but your wish. If you have a good image related to your company or client, your wish, if you want, you can add. But image should not dominate the graph. If you add image, background image, if graph is not visible, that's a bad report. Image should be a light background color with light self design, something like that. Don't add a dominating image which will dominate the actual graph. Okay. So you can browse and select an image file here. And if you want to format this report title. Report title option. There is another tab, general tab. In that report title option is there. You can increase the font size also. You can add a background color. You can change the text color. And also you can edit the text. This is the default heading Power BI generated. If you want to change it, delete this and you can type appropriate heading. Department wise. Gender wise. Employee count. Like this you can add appropriate title. All of you understanding? Any doubts, Prashant, Nitish, Prachi?
No doubt.
Simple class only, right? Simple topic only. Today's topic is simple topic only, not too much of knowledge. Simple visualization examples and formattings. And also, this legend position also you can configure. Legend you can place in the top, you can place in the bottom, right side, left side. Legend position. See, right side you can place, right center you can place. Left side you can place. Left center. Bottom. Like this. You can place it wherever you want. Generally top legend only maybe better. And background color also you can change it. There is a effects tab. Just 1 minute, I will be back. Hello? Yeah, sorry. So all bar charts, line charts, area charts, line charts, pie charts, anything, tables, anything you can do formatting by going to this format tab. Okay. And if you want to change the background color, no, this is image. I think it is in general tab. So you can add a background color, whatever you want. Okay. Whatever neat looking colors you have to select. RGB values also you can give. Do you know that? Click on the more colors and here you can give red, green, blue contents values also. But not required. You can select from this available list of colors. But if you want to define your own colors, like this, you can define your own colors by giving red, green, blue components. All of you know this. Red, green, blue values. By changing the red, green, blue contents, proportion and contents, you can generate different combinations of colors. So today is a simple topic only. So next topic we will continue tomorrow. Understanding, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Chandra sir, this session is recorded.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we can
Yeah.
view
Yeah.
it again.
After some time, Zoom will send an email to me. I will send you immediately. Not available now.
Okay.
After some time, Zoom will send an email to me.
Okay.
I will send to
Then,
you.
then for watching this recording, how to see this video?
I will send you the link.
Okay, so in that link the recording is there.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Chandra,
you.
good night.
Good night.